Hi, hello, oh my god, YouTube. I have a big ass box full of phones, literally just phones. So I'm gonna go through every single one of them because I'm gay and I like phones. So first one is this iPhone 5C. As you can see, not funny. As you can see, it is in a box, although it's like the most tattered box ever, but it's still a box, right? Look at this little thing. Literally look at it. That is so cute. That's adorable. It's like... My fiance is here. Moving on. 4S. I got this for £10. It's iCloud locked. I don't know how to get rid of it. There is technically ways, but they're like really sophisticated. And I'm not smart enough for that because I'm smart but not that smart. I think this is the Nokia 3. I may or may not have forgotten the model number. This one I find exciting, but that's just because I'm weird. Xperia 10. Because first of all, look how long that is. It's like it looks like a chocolate bar. It cost me like £20 because the screen has this little dark mark at the side. It's not a big deal and it's completely functional, and for £20 this phone is like amazing. Okay, look at this one. This is an S3 Mini, not the S3, just the Mini, because I don't know, I had the S3 too, but the S3 Mini is at the top of the pile for some reason. Literally such a gorgeous device. I love all of the like Pebble water era Samsung phones. All of the 2012 to 2013 S3 era phones were just supreme Samsung. I miss that completely. Here's an iPhone 3G, not the 3GS, the 3G. It's really cool. I was just talking about the S3 Mini and look, the original S3, it is missing a letter on the back. That is okay. It is very nice. It's not turned on obviously, but it's very nice, and it was actually my fiance that got me it on Christmas. This is like a pile of shit phone. This is so shit. It's £20. It was from Vodafone. It's a Smart Purse 6. These went for £20 when they were released, and that says enough about it. It's not a good phone. It lasted about a year before it started being slow. Do not buy this. Nokia 620. I got this in 2016, I think. The same time I got an iPhone 5S when I was younger, but I don't have that phone anymore because I absolutely obliterated it. It's completely destroyed. Couldn't tell you what this phone is called, but it's an Alcatel phone. It's very much basic. Don't know what this is called. Terrible. Just terrible. This is just shit. This is the Nokia Lumia 925. It's a really cool phone. I ended up putting Windows 10 on it because Windows Phone 10 is like very usable today. This is my white Galaxy S6. It is in honestly not great condition. Like the buttons are filed down to nothing. This little tiny phone is a Symbian phone. I'm pretty sure it is called an LG Pop. It's very small. The case comes off way too easily, like just pops off, no pun intended. It's cute, but the touchscreen stopped working, so there's really no use for it. This is a Nokia Lumia 520. The next one is another one of the Galaxy S6s, except this one's in like perfect condition. Like there is not even a scratch on this, I swear. Here's an LG Q6, mad smashed. I used to use it as a main phone, that's why. And it's been for it. This phone is a Microsoft Lumia 550. This phone gives me mad Oreo vibes. It's so cute. It's like, it's just so pretty. I love it. Galaxy Y. No explanation, just tiny cute. Android gingerbread. A vibe. Childhood icon. Galaxy X Cover 2. It was just such a nice device. It was around the S3 era, so it had all that pebbly loveliness to it. This is my Nokia Lumia 610 Windows Phone 7. It's one of the OG Windows phones. It is so pretty. It has a 5 megapixel camera, so it's like you can tell that that's for its time. If you look at this at one glance, you'd think S3 Mini, but no, this is the Galaxy Fame. This is probably one of my favourite phones of all time. It is the pink Galaxy S2. Low-key rare, like you don't find these very commonly, but it's, look at that, that's like the best pink colour, and it gets up to jelly bean, which means it has that famous pebble water design, which, you know, you've heard it a million times already, but I fucking love. Literally couldn't tell you what this phone's name is, but it's okay because it's so cool. Nokia. Galaxy Young 2. HTC HD7. Windows Phone 7 era. Giant screen for a Windows Phone 7 device. The Lumia 800. One of the nicest Windows phones, I swear to God. It's like the 920 but miniature. Low budget Nokia Lumia vibe. I've replaced it because I had a black case, but you know, I wanted Oreo vibes. It's very cute. It's very just like Windows Phone 8. It's a vibe. My first smartphone ever. This is the OG, the Galaxy S1. Classic phone. Love it to bits. Camera's a bit screwed up. The screen, the backlight stopped working, so now it's just black. And I'm fucking devastated by that, but I keep it because it's my OG smartphone and I just can never get rid of it. Banger phone. This phone is so nice. It's a budget Windows phone, or more like mid-range, but it's so nice. Its screen's a bit shit, but apart from that, it's pretty nice. Pretty sure this is a BlackBerry Leap. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pretty nice phone, but BlackBerry OS is so defunct, I personally would not be using it in 2022. And the last phone in the box is this Hawaii P Smart 2019. I hate this phone because it has mad trauma linked to it, but it's still here because I don't know. I want to like burn it. If there was any phones I forgot, then my bad.